In this video, I'll show you how to contact Cash App customer service fast and easy, whether it's for fraud, refunds, or app glitches. Whether you're struggling with Cash App issues like failed transactions, account access problems, or a lost cash card, I've got the step-by-step guide to get your money back on track, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to reach Cash App support, no matter the issue. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech tips. Now let's get started. To contact Cash App support using the in-app support system, open your Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right. Scroll down and tap Support. Choose your issue, like direct deposit problems or cash card issues. If you don't see your problem, tap something else, then contact support. Finally, tap Chat to connect with a live agent. Pro tip: be patient, responses can take a few hours. This works for unauthorized transactions, login issues, or even Bitcoin errors. But if you need faster help, try this next method. For urgent issues, you may need to call Cash App support at 1-800-969-1940. This is perfect for fraud, lost cards, or failed transactions. Be ready with your account details and transaction history. Remember, never share your PIN or password, Cash App will never ask for it. This works for disputes, refunds, or security concerns. But what if you're not in the US? I've also got a global solution for you. No phone or chat? No problem. Email Cash App support at support@cash.app. Include your account email, phone number, and a detailed description of your issue. Attach screenshots if needed. Use a clear subject line like failed transaction or account hacked for faster responses. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue. Here are some important tips to save you time. Always have your account details and transaction IDs ready. Check for known outages on the Cash App status page. Avoid fake support numbers, they're scams. For app glitches, try reinstalling Cash App first. To explore more Cash App video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.